it's not to be. What will become of my dear friend? Where will his actions lead us then? And though I'd like to join the crowd in their enthusiastic cloud, try as I may, it doesn't last. And will we ever end up together? No, I think not. It's never to become, for I am not the one. Hi, it's Cory. Thanks so much for watching the playthrough of Sally's theme from The Nightmare Before Christmas. If you're at all interested in like a full tutorial for this, just because I do know in the playthrough I was doing like a picking pattern and there are some chords maybe people aren't quite as familiar with, make sure to comment down below and let me know if that's what you'd like to see. Otherwise, if there are other songs from The Nightmare Before Christmas too, make sure to let me know if you would be interested in seeing tutorials for those as well. There's some pretty fun ones. Some of them are really, really tricky. Like initially I was going to do This Is Halloween, but there was almost no way for me to do a beginner-friendly version of that. I think it'd be a really good challenge for people. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you've been enjoying the October Spooktacular. Also, if you're at all interested in the lead sheet for this particular song, make sure to check out my Patreon. I have all my lead sheets there and they're available to my Patreon community. So if you're a member, you have that available to you. So thanks so much and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!